What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. You can see behind me we got wifey's car today, and it's been a while since you guys seen the car on the channel, so I decided to do a few things to it. I tried to do something a little bit simple, but you know, this thing deserves a little bit of love. So today we are actually changing the front grills. Right now we have this black that I did. This was the first mod. If you guys saw the video when we first got the car, I vinyl wrapped it, and you can see I did a pretty bad job, but this doesn't have the shadow line, so I wrapped it with black vinyl. But obviously this and these things right here are fading. If somebody's looking at, you know, the intakes, they're gonna have to see all this water spots and all that stuff. So we got some carbon grills, and we also did the center console right here. We're also replacing this piano black for carbon fiber, because there's carbon fiber up here, there's carbon fiber over here, and wifey says she wants carbon fiber inside the car. So that's exactly what we're doing. We're replacing this, and maybe you guys let me know, maybe I should get a carbon steering wheel as well. So this is what we got. We got it from Aerotech Carbon. Same guy that I got the spoiler on my car, if you guys saw that video. So this is a full replacement, and what I like about this is it has the housing as well, so it guarantees fitment, and it's not just an overlay, cheap overlay. So really good quality there. And we also have the grill. Like I told you guys, it's a full replacement. So let me get this off. You guys see it, man. You guys see it right there. Full replacement with piano black slots right here. I think that's what it's called, but let's go ahead and get this on. And after we get it on, we are probably gonna head to a little car meet. It's gonna be the first time the X3 M40 goes to a car meet. So this is history making on the channel today. And then we'll watch some football because the Bills are playing. I'm a Pats fan, so we gotta make sure they lose tonight. First step, I'm gonna do the one on the outside first. Let's see here. And we got my dad. He's gonna be helping out today, filming. ¿Qué se cuenta? Dile a la cámara, ¿cuánto tiempo? He gets camera shy. You guys see these clips? So we're gonna push these down, and then we're gonna be able to pop out. You guys see them right there. We push those down, and then we're able to pop this out. So I'm expecting this to be total. I'm expecting it to be like 20 minutes. All right. You guys know every time you work on your car, there's always some little thing, but he's like 30 minutes. Nah, but it should be easy. I've taken this off before. Eh? La luz. Yeah, se puede conectar. Yeah, we're like in a hurricane here without power. Oh, that's a lot better. Even though the car's a little far, but more light is better. All right, so we're gonna push these down. We're gonna take this off, and I'm gonna do that on camera so you guys can see. All right, let's see. He wants to do it, so. Yeah. Yep. There you go.
Piece of cake.
I told you. That's good, that's good. Yeah. We could start a shop. Es de la esquina primero. Boom. Hey, you strong as hell. Okay, ya yo creo, I think you could just wiggle it out. I think you, let me do it, yeah. There we go. Boom, look. So this, we're gonna make sure we don't throw it away just in case, right? This is the OEM. So I actually have a thing where I don't throw any of my OEM parts away. I have a little problem with that. So I'm running out of space. So I'm gonna have to figure this out, sell it, I don't know. If you guys want any OEM parts from the M3 or this, let me know, and I might consider selling. Mira, ¿qué tú crees? What do you think? A lot better, right?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, because I did a pretty bad job with the film before. So what we're gonna do is we gotta push this. I think these are all good. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna line this up. My finger almost got stuck. Big ass finger. Make sure they're all lined up. You guys hear the click clack? Perfect. Look at that fitment. It fits perfect. If you look up here, look at that. Perfectly aligns with the body of the car. That looks really good. Now we're gonna have to add more carbon, maybe a carbon lip or something like that, right? Yeah. I don't know if they make this piece carbon. Might paint match some of that. I've seen where they paint match this right here on the bottom. That might look good with a carbon lip. But yeah, essentially that's it for the grille. There it is with the hood closed. It absolutely looks perfect. But yeah, I think if we paint match this little bottom trim here and then we put a carbon lip under, I think that'll look perfect. All right, let's go inside now and let's see what this one would look like. So here for the center console, I'm gonna lift up the armrest a little bit so we have some room, but we have to pry this open just a little bit, right? So we could get our fingers under here. Let's see. And then it just starts coming up. So we're gonna do the same on this side. You see, it's already up. We're gonna do the same on this side. And you have clips along the edges. So we just have to lift and it comes up. That's it, super easy. So this right here, we're gonna have to transfer to the new one. I see some clips right here. So you have 3 clips right here. I think it's that. Yeah, it's coming out on the other side. There we go. And then here on this edge, right here. Boom. We clean this up. There's some like glue here or something, but we're gonna put this back. Let's see, we're gonna line it up here. I think it goes, see, yeah, everything lines up. That's it, man. Super easy. Let's go ahead and line this up. It has to go over here. Make sure this lines up with all the little holes. Oh, maybe I should have put this up. Yeah, that was easy, right? What did I tell you, 20 minutes? Look, 20 minutes. This is what I like. The fitment is perfect, it's on point. Everywhere you look, it's on point. And you roll this up, fits perfectly. Now you have the carbon here, you have the carbon up here, and I guess this is next, I don't know. But we gotta get this maybe cleaned or replaced, but maybe we'll do some carbon trim on the steering wheel, some carbon paddles. That way I don't have to replace the entire steering wheel. But we could try to clean this up. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It fits the car very well. It's nothing, you know, because if you overdo carbon, it could look bad, but I think this fits very, very well on this car. If you have any questions on how to install it or anything like that, just let me know. I'll help you guys out as much as possible. But this video is exactly what I did, uncut, without any issues whatsoever. It literally took me 20 minutes while filming. We're gonna head to a little car meet. I don't know how it's gonna be, but we're gonna pull up and it's gonna be the car's first car meet. I'm gonna wait for my boy Alex is gonna pull up and my boy Fabian is gonna pull up. You guys probably seen him in a previous video a little while ago. He might be in a BMW one day, who knows, but he's been my boy for a while, so we're gonna take him. We're gonna watch some football after the car meet, so it's gonna be a great night. If you guys need any of these carbon pieces, the information for Aerotech Carbon is gonna be down in the description below. You tell him that you watched my video, and that's why you need these parts for your X3 M40. And he probably has a catalog for other cars too, but if you need this for your X3 M40, you know where to go. That boy is not playing, bro. That shit is a rocket. Holy shit. We got that boy Fabian in the house. We're showing him a freaking M2 with 700 horsepower. What it looks like, guys. What do you think?
Yo, that shit's quick.
That shit's quick, right? This is pretty quick for SUV. We're chilling, we're chilling. I don't know who else is gonna be out there, but we're definitely gonna have a nice chill night. Beautiful weather, so tell them to get an X6M.
Hey, X6
Big body for the big body. All right, she made it. Damn. What do you think about the grills, bro? It's nice, right? It's a nice little detail. You think she's gonna notice? This little rocket. That shit almost got away on the ramp, huh?
I floored it.
You floored it?
I floored it in non-manual mode. And we were like so stopped that the car just like.
Oh. We're gonna see what we got out here, guys. A little bit. We got here early, so some cars are pulling in a little bit later. A lot of JDMs for sure. But this has like, what is that? The Civic Type R front, I think it is. And then I can't see what this is. Maybe a Chaser. Pretty clean though. Sounds really good. And then a Corvette Z06 with a nice little tire in the back. Okay. We got a Mark IV Supra on this side. Hopefully you guys can see that. It is a little bit dark over here, so it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, like I said, it's pretty dark. So we got an E36. Looks like Boston Green. We got some of the guys right here, the S2K. We've seen this a few times before. Very clean. Big wing in the back. A90 Supra. What's good? How you doing? What's good, bro? How you doing? You guys seen this? Fast boy right here. Got some Mustangs. GTI. This thing sounded pretty crazy coming in. That boy Juan. And then a pair of mustards right here. Pair of mustard. Ooh, this one's nice too. Very clean. So GR. That boy Juan right there. Listen to that. Ooh, a little spool action too. What's good, bro? How you been?
Chilling.
Suena bien. Saludable. Healthy. You guys think he drives manual or what?
You guys think she drives a manual? I'm getting old. Oh, fuck.
What's good, yo? Nice seeing you.
Everything good?
Yes, sir. Sounds good, man. Yo, that vlog from the other me is going up on Monday or Tuesday. It came out pretty good. Yeah, it came out pretty good. Yeah.
Okay, that was from the one that was basically a
JDM.
Skyline meet.
Yeah, JDM Euro.
So many Skylines.
Yeah, a lot of Skylines, Supras, all that. But
That was good though.
yeah, it was good. Good vibe, good turnout.
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
overall pretty good. I
Yeah.
mean, there was some people like 2-7, but you know,
It
sometimes
is
you
what
gotta
it
get a
is.
little
At the
bit of
end?
jitters out.
Was it like at the end? Because when I was there, I didn't hear anything.
No, I think it was like 20 minutes after you left. Not gonna lie,
Okay.
2-7 was nice, but still, bro, I
Yeah.
got kicked out.
Yeah, from the Skylines?
Yeah, it was
Shit.
Midnight Purple R33, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, I saw that one. That
Yeah.
one was clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, shit.
Shit sounded good.
But it didn't get shut down, right?
no.
Oh, okay.
No, but you
They
know.
pulled up?
No, the cops pulled up like an hour before.
Yeah, yeah. When I was there, I saw them
But that was
stroll
one of my
by.
buddies. He was just rolling, doing
Ah,
a roll
okay. No,
Make sure
I don't know.
nobody's doing no stupid shit.
Yeah, for sure.
I assured him that nobody was gonna do anything stupid. So.
We're hosting a meet on the 7th.
Oh yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And then you're hosting a meet on the 21st.
yes,
right? 21st.
Speedway.
Homestead Speedway, guys. You got to be there.
4P, 4P.
4P.
Racing and drifting and a car show.
Yeah. I mean, nobody else is doing that.
Automotive experience.
Yeah.
Automotive experience.
Literally nobody else is doing that. So you guys got to pull up for sure.
Cup cars, all that type of stuff. Porsche.
Yeah.
racing,
When we went the first time, that was an experience for sure. Yeah, I liked
I
it.
enjoy that event.
Yeah,
There's
it was really
always
good.
Something going on automotive-wise.
Yeah. I liked every aspect of it.
Hell yeah.
It's pretty cool. And I got to put my camera on a drift car.
Oh yes.
I got to do it again because the car broke down. The one
Was
that
that
I
Vin's car?
No, that was Alex. Alex
Oh,
in the FRS.
Yes, the blue one.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ella swap, right?
Yeah. So
yeah.
as soon as I put my camera on, his car broke. And I was like, bruh.
You got bad booty.
Yeah. He's like, yo, you got to do it again. So,
For some
I
reason,
gotta
every
pull
time
up.
we do that event, it rains.
bro,
I
what the
don't
fuck?
know
I saw
why.
when I was gone. And when I was gone, you guys hosted one and it rained again, right?
It was still a good turnout, but still, bro.
Yeah, the rain is mad annoying. And it came out of nowhere. Florida, bro. Seen this Audi before, I think. Is it the same one? The guy from Mass? I don't think it is. Because the guy from Mass had a shoot. Nah, but this one sounds pretty crazy. Damn, he got the Chucky mask in the back. That's kind of scary. And then we got a Subi right here. Very clean build. But yeah, little single turbo action. Got a little bit of some. This is a very nice Civic Type R. I think this is Benji's. I think it might be that boy Benji's. I don't know if he would rock a Labubu though. But he's lowered about the same amount. Nah, I don't think that's Benji's. But it looks very clean. Hello, CRV with the wheels? Yo, that was the hoopty for you, remember? In high school? Was it high school or middle school? No, you weren't driving in middle school. Yeah, high school. Damn. Took that shit to all the parties? Yeah, you remember that? Another Type R. You guys see it? Oh, these cars over here, they look pretty fast. I've seen this one before. It's a little drift car. I think it's LS swapped, maybe. 370. And then this one right here, Dominican IS. Oh, that one's cool.
I know him.
You know? Oh shit. Damn, so you in the culture, bro. I think it's time to go watch some football. I think it's about that time. Nos vemos. See you, bro. See you when I see you.
Yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Good meeting you, bro. Let's hope our bet hits.
What'd you bet though?
Bunch of shit, bro.
Let me see the legs.
Yo, throw 100 on a Teddy.
On who?
Light, bro. Halftime.
Josh Allen, Teddy.
Something light, bro. 10 to win 88.
No, what'd you do though? Jaden Higgins
Over
under?
36.5. Under Jaden Higgins. Who the hell is that?
Who's over 36? Bills?
No, just in general. The total points.
Oh, okay.
Bills to win. Josh Allen, Teddy. And Josh Allen over in rushing yards.
Oof.
Why'd you say oof on that, though?
The rush. I hope you hit. All right, yo.
All right, bro.